Just to reinforce the importance of some of these points, here are 3 real-world examples of system failures. In 2015, some students were able to hack into a pacemaker, killing, fortunately it was only a simulated patient. But these were not security experts. Rather, students with a basic background in IT and computer science were able to brute force a Wi-Fi protected setup pin using off-the-shelf hacking tools. Back in 1999, DVD movie protection was broken when it was discovered that only a 40-bit encryption key was being used, and at that, only some of the key values were actually potentially valid. That enabled a brute force attack, which could be implemented by programs so simple people turned them into ASCII art, like this picture of a DVD logo that's actually the decryption program. In 2008, a 14-year-old boy made a homemade transmitter that was able to operate the switches in his city's tram line. That resulted in derailing 4 trams and multiple injuries. He made his transmitter by converting an old TV remote to be compatible with the train system.